Hi there, this is Sonal here, and in this video we are going to tap on developing self-discipline. Now self-discipline is the ability to stay on course, to go ahead and do something irrespective of your emotional state, whether or not you want to do something. So there are plenty of instances in life where we need to, develop self-discipline in order to do things. Like suppose if you decided to wake up early in the morning every day at 5 o'clock and exercise for half an hour, so you know that that will be good for our health, but to be actually able to pull it off day after day is going to require self-discipline. And for a lot of people it's going to be very hard, and a lot of the times such resolutions fail because the self discipline required to see this through is derived from willpower. Now willpower is, as studies have shown, that willpower is a limited resource. You can only mentally force yourself to do something so much of the time. So after a few days of forcing yourself to wake up at 5 o'clock and exercise, you are going to run out of willpower, and then it's going to be back to square one. Then you're going to find it impossible to wake up early and do anything else, do your exercise routine. So the idea of this is where tapping can help you greatly. It can help you eliminate the need to derive your self discipline from willpower. It tapping can shift the perspective so that the need to do something, the need to stick to your goals, the need to do something day after day, it comes from within. So you just feel naturally, you feel like, yeah, it's a good thing that I'm able to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and exercise. It's even fun. So that change of perspective is what's going to keep you going day after day, not forcing yourself through using willpower. So in this tap along, we are going to go over the resistance and the need to use willpower that prevents us from putting self-discipline into practice. So bring to mind, like, I want to know, how have you realized that you lack self-discipline? It is possibly because you are trying to achieve something and you're finding it hard to stay on course. So whatever that is, even if it's happening now, or if it happened in the past and you found yourself lacking self-discipline, bring that to mind and keep that in mind as you tap along with me, because those thoughts, when woven with simultaneous tapping, all of that, it's going to clear up, and you're going to come out on the other end feeling, feeling good about it and feeling motivated. So I'm going to be saying some words as you tap along, and that is simply to help you keep the focus on the problem at hand, which is in this case the lack of self-discipline. So we start with the karate chop tapping or the setup tapping. And we do this tapping in order to get rid of any hidden resistance that we may have to getting rid of a problem. You don't have to repeat my words after me, you can simply listen to them and focus on them as you tap along with me. Even though self-discipline doesn't come naturally to me, I have to constantly force myself to do the things that I need to be doing. And that makes it hard to feel good about doing things. I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Even though I lack the self-discipline to do this, and I keep failing because of it, I deeply and completely love, accept, and honor myself. Even though it's so hard to keep forcing myself day after day to keep myself on course, I wish it didn't have to be this way. I'm willing to learn new ways of being self-disciplined that don't involve forcing myself. So now with the setup tapping done, we'll go to the tapping on the face and body. So simply follow along. It's so hard to be self-disciplined. It's so hard to stay on course. I have to force myself to do it. And I don't like that. I wish it didn't have to be this way. I wish I could feel naturally motivated to do the things that I need to do. Even the things that I don't enjoy. Some of the things that I need to do are boring and tedious.